What's up, everybody? I'm the Lucky Gamer, and today I'm making a video on Animal Jam, and there is some drama going on here. So I adopted two people in AK, and there's Princess, who is my daughter. That's fabulous. And then I have Dash, who is my dog. Dash! You TV I make videos too. I'm trying to get them to notice. I do some advertisements on Animal Jam. As you can probably hear. Okay. OMG. Prince Sparkle. We call it Sparkle. Sparkle and Dash. Come here now. We are going home. I'm reporting you. We are going home. Yeah, I just reported a person on camera. I don't report people that often. I just reported you. Why? Oh, you're done. No. She called UNA, which means bad word. She called UNA. Why? For our question, say it nicely. Say it nicely. But it's not yours. It's not yours, is it? Is it? If you say please, you say please. No caps lock. No caps lock. Not you. You. The pink bunny. I reported you again. For your FYI. I'm gonna say everything that I type in. I reported her twice in one video. What does it say about you? If you get reported twice, what does that say about you? Yes, I make videos on the web. I have how many subscribers do I have? I wonder. I have just gonna go check actually. Since I'm only recording one tab. I've been sick for a long time. So I have plus 1 subs. That means subscribers. I have 10 plus 1 subs. Okay. So I adopted this girl. And then she brought home this girl. And I got this one as a dog. That's Dash. That's Princess. And that right there is Fabulous. Well, anyways, guys, that just about does it for this video. Clear that screen. But just about does it for this video. I was glad you guys could join me for this video. And I will see all you dudes in the next video. This is the Bookie Gamer signing out. Peace.